Okay, good afternoon viewers. Let's see the unboxing of this GM Motors Android video interface made by Lsailt. Let's start with look at this cartoon. Not very beautiful, but it's good. Okay. Open it. Quite a chaos, too many things here. Let's start with this. This must be the head unit. No, the video interface box itself. Okay, the connector, GPS antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, Bluetooth antenna, all behind this business. Let's see something else. Okay, these two, actually these four, because these will be bound together. It's used to transfer the camera signal from car monitor to the car head unit, and the LVDS connector to transfer the image signal from car monitor to here. Take a look. Here are the rest of the thing. This is power connector of the head unit. No, correction. This is the video interface box. Here. Okay. 3.5 mm AUX jack, microphone, USB connector. If you want to use the CarPlay or USB display with this, you need to use this. Speaker, magic speakers, GPS antenna. And here are the rest of the two harnesses. You want to use the headrest mounted display inside the cabin or the rear view camera, aftermarket rear view camera. This is crucial. You need to use this. Okay, that's all. Looks very simple for installation about this. Don't forget my subscribe channel. Thank you.